Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, listen, today, boys and girls, we're doing a very, very, very quick Bitcoin update. Now, look, all right, I said this before and I'll say it again that I do believe the turnaround is very, very close. Now, I personally do believe that pretty much we are going to be tapping into this 12-hour order block over here, right? We can see the big red candle, the blue candle, and pretty much we're halfway in it as we speak, right? This is somewhere halfway. So what we really, really want to see is Bitcoin to come back down here into this other order block, kind of consolidate and start making its way up. Now, to get next level confirmation that we're chilling, we're going to have to break through pretty much this trend line over here. And some may even debate that this trend line here is more relevant. So we're going to use this one actually as an example. So look, boys and girls, the thing is, I still have high hopes that, look, it's not even about hope actually. Just based off the data, we are in consolidation. Okay, what does that mean? That means pretty much overall we are ranging, which is good. Which is good. When we start to range, that is good because we're expecting a breakthrough sooner than later. Now, I can't tell you exactly how long this is going to be, right? But I know overall it's not a bad thing, right? We may potentially retest this area over here of 45 to $48,000 because there's many, many monthly candles, right? We could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? We could potentially sweep these lows of 49,500, tap it, and then that's when we officially go sideways a little bit more and start reversing back up. Now, the truth is, you know what I'm saying? I ain't the market maker. I'm just a person that's looking at the data, and what the data is showing me is that overall things are slowing down, and things do, in my opinion, want to reverse sooner than later. Now, we don't have too much confirmation yet, but I believe the time is here. All right, well, not here just yet, but very, very soon. So one thing we could do low key is compare this to maybe another pair, right? Maybe we could compare it to gold actually. Because if we look at gold, where is this thing? No, not that, not that. It's this one. There you go. Boom, two setups, right? So actually, like I go, why am I like at 2300 for gold? Gold, I'm on the 3 minute. Where am I in gold? Oh, there you go. Boom, boom, boom. So if we go on the daily for gold, right? Bitcoin, we're also on the daily. So something we could be similar to, actually, let's go on the weekly. Let's go on the weekly, man. Let's go on the weekly. Now, remember, gold moves 100, like literally 10 times slower than Bitcoin, right? What Bitcoin does is usually gold cycle. If you've ever compared it, Bitcoin does the cycle of gold, except it literally goes like 10 times faster, right? So if we look back at gold, something that could be happening is pretty much we're doing something like this, right? Where we're kind of in a phase of going sideways, consolidating, and we are going to retest a bigger area, right? So we could be actually going down all the way here, like I said, to this big, big, big zone, right? Then kind of going sideways for a while, having some kind of break of structure, and then eventually going back up. But now remember, this move is going to happen 10 times faster than it did with gold because if we look at gold, that pretty much happened from 2020 all the way up until 2024. Now, that's not going to happen with Bitcoin for 4 years. Maybe it might happen for like 8 months, 6 months, but overall, it's going to happen much, much quicker. Now, if I go into monthly for Bitcoin, if we compare the tops, it is more so like in my opinion, the tops over here, right? We're kind of just going sideways, chilling. Actually, I could do this. Goodbye, gold. right? We're kind of just going sideways, kind of consolidating. Then we're going to go sideways up, sideways diagonal, boom, right? So kind of like how I already drew it out, where we're going this way, then eventually we're going this way, and eventually we're going to diagonal up, and then we're going to burst through. Now remember, the longer we consolidate, the better for us, the more money we're going to get, right? Because that means pretty much we are going to be going further up. When something consolidates for a little bit, the push cannot be that strong, right? It takes a while, higher time frame. When the higher time frame is in a consolidation, then you're gonna get a big pump. So I have high hopes for Bitcoin. I'm chilling, right? I just give you guys updates. For me, I'm stacking my positions because I want to retire sooner than later, and I believe crypto is the way. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next.